Hey friends, this is Tim Schruck from Design Build Solutions, sharing with you another X11 new feature. Today's feature is the elevation macro available in markers. Let's get started. So yes, as I said, X11 now has the elevation macro available in markers. Let's take a look at this section view I'm creating. And these markers have the option of adding a macro with the elevation in it. So I'm going to drop in an elevation. So you can kind of manually create your story poles if you wish. Here is my marker. I'm going to insert, say, whatever, this could be second floor ceiling, or we'll call it plate. And I'm going to insert an object specific. We could add floor number. Let's do that up here. I want to see what it looks like. Object specific height. Interesting, I'm not sure why it says first one floor, because that's definitely not the floor number we're on. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Yeah, it's following this number up here, that level. That's an interesting thing. Let's put in here room. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what it's connecting with room there, but that doesn't work, and that doesn't work. So as you can see, I just created second floor plate. I made it level with this top plate up here, and it automatically gives me 18.0 and 1/2 inches. Same with second floor elevation, 9/11 and 3/8. And the ridge is at 29.10 and 11/16. So what I did with that is I'm going to draw a line over here. Now I must have drawn a little lower than that. Let's see what... Oh yeah, I drew right at the top of the truss, not the top of the sheathing. So depends on where you're going to go with it, right? Let's move it up to the top of the sheathing. Just go right up there. 29.11 and 5/16. It's just going to automatically update. And since the dimension is connected to it, that will also update at 11.10 13/16 from the plate. So there you have X11 elevation macro in the markers. I hope this has been helpful. If you find these helpful, would you consider supporting me for the price of a cup of coffee each month? Check out my Patreon page. The link is in the description. Also, drop a like down there, click the subscribe, and until next time, do take care.